We got a, Danielle found this cool thing called, I can't remember what it was. Misfits Market. Misfits Market. She paid, how much? $22? $22 for the box. She orders it on a Tuesday, delivers on the next. What they say it is it's not the grade A food or the grade 1, something like that food, but it's got the levels underneath that. But you want to open her up. I did slip the top. That's what it's trying to do. Oh! Have a hernia hole from the Misfits box. Okay? But I do have some good tape. Now then. What?
You'll notice at the end of the box it's always affordable, occasionally funny looking.
Oh yeah. Especially in here, Danielle, it's always affordable, occasional funny looking. So if they got something that's supposed to turn one way, they might have to turn the other. Something like that. Not ready for prime time players yet. Or something like that. We will open up. I think you can pick a little bit of what you want.
Pick it out.
Right? You got different things. But,
according to your box size that you order, they give you a number of choices of fruits and vegetables and things to make your own box.
So we're still working on getting in here. Let's take a look at it. See what we got. Wow. Okay. I can take first off, it looks pretty good. Okay. Then we're going to take a picture right here. Of course, we're going to wash it. We're going to start out with two awesome, really good looking tires. A little improved spot right there. Hey, set out, right? That's good. Green pepper. Back.
Rosie's interested in it.
Yep.
Sorry about the tail, guys.
I'll put them back in here as
Here. Well, can that top paper come out?
No.
No.
It's all the way around it. Okay. I'll just work around.
Rosie, come here. Now, there you go, Dad.
So we got the peppers. We got the pepper now. Got a couple of oranges. Here's 2 oranges. Radish, not radish.
Turnip roots.
Turnip fruit. You know why I like to look at these things? I like to turn these suckers into French fries.
See ya.
Watch our video on that. Turnip fries. Okay? Oh. 2 really cool looking squash. It's got a little nose cut off.
Yellow squash.
Yellow squash. A nice head of celery. Okay. Hey, I want to eat these guys, okay? What else we got?
That should be a bag of green beans.
It sure is. Nice bag of green beans, but good helping of that. Green beans. Let's see what else we got over here. Apple on the side there. Oh, okay. 2 more.
Green pepper.
Really nice green pepper. Hey, look.
Baby potatoes.
Baby taters. And a thing wrong with that. Got a little squash. It did get a time or 2. But, you know, that's fine.
Great for stir fry.
Absolutely. We'll cut that sucker up and have the zucchini here. I don't know.
We do.
We'll have the zucchini, onions, squash.
Make us a nice stir fry.
See if this is black. I don't know what it is. Another orange.
Hey.
Oh, wow. Talking about some turnip fries. There we go.
There's the Mag Daddy.
Oh, I had a broccoli. The broccoli crown.
Yeah.
Right?
Something else to add to the stir fry.
Another pepper.
The pepper. Yay!
And then
That's another pair.
Okay. I don't see a cartridge in here, so.
We don't have the pair.
We got this.
I bet that's the Roma tomatoes.
Daniel, so this is probably some tomatoes. So we're gonna take a look here and see. Oh wow!
Look at that!
Oh,
Beautiful tomatoes.
Good. Oh, the bacon, egg, and cheese tomato sandwich tomorrow.
Ooh, or cut up in an omelet.
Hey, red bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich
With tomatoes. You can also find the video
on our short channel. There's a redneck bacon, egg, and cheese and a cast iron skillet.
right.
Check it out, people. Hey, one thing to do is like and subscribe our stuff, okay? We'll have more of this stuff. We'll start getting this every week or every 2 weeks.
Now, was there any zucchini in it?
I did not send you the zucchini, if you're gonna let it. We'll have zucchini.
Okay, well then maybe they sent us. Okay, that's fine.
But we'll have a new video out every couple of weeks about this, unboxing it. We've got other videos every week. I've got one series about the Constitution and Federalist Papers, believe it or not. Just like us, don't mind, there's some pros here and there, people. So just give us a try, watch us.
Trixie wants to say hello.
And that's my dog Trixie's over there. But Shorty, thank you. I think this is well worth the box right here.
There are larger boxes that you
Yeah.
can order, and you get to control what you get. Not the amount, but you get to control the size box and the produce that you get, which I think is wonderful. Due to COVID and other reasons, we order a majority of our groceries from pickup, and if you're gonna buy your produce there sight unseen, might as well get a little extra value and help America out.
That's not below a pound to sell it.
Yes.
It was 10.2 pounds in all for the box. For
Yes.
their handy dandy scale. Sorry, that was Kyle.
If you average it out, it's about $1 not. Well, it was $6 shipping on the box, so it's about $1.99 a pound.
So it's $22 for the whole box?
It's $22 for the whole box, and then they have a larger box for $38.
That's what I think. Does that include the shipping? Or the shipping on
No.
that?
The $5.18 or $5.81 was the shipping. So it was
$27
$27 for the whole thing.
$27 for the whole basket. I think it's worth it.
Refrigerated from by
refrigerated
FedEx.
And this is Brian and Danielle. And Fritzy, Rosie made an appearance. All of the team Hutchins, Kyle's over here. Just give us a like and share. Have a good night, everybody.
Kyle, tell them bye-bye.
So bye-bye.